Right, so today, it's finally the day that we're going to actually black this van. You know, it is the 20th of May today. It's been a good 5 months, yeah, about 4 months since we got the results from the MOT and found out that the van was rotten. And I said, oh, we're going to black it underneath when the weather gets nice, and the weather's nice now. So that's what we're going to be doing. I went underneath the other day and I saw they had a layer of something on the metal before, which looks like blacking, which has most of it perished now, so it needs to be done again, a bit like a boat. So what we've got to do is we've got to scrape all that off first using wire brushes on drills like this. And we've also got some hand ones. I've got my old clothes on and I've got eye protection because all this rust is going to drop down in your eyes. Dad's going to be doing the front, I'm going to be doing the back, we're going to meet in the middle. But yeah, it's got to get done. And we've got some blacking, same stuff we use on the Narrowboat to protect the underside of the van. Yeah, we'll give it a layer and then we might give it another layer. I would like to put 2 on it, but we want to save some of the blacking for the boat because Dad likes to black the side of the boat that isn't under the water, of course. But yeah, it's going to be a bit of a job, but it's got to get done, and this will protect the paint for the future, hopefully. Alright, so let's begin. Take a look here. Some of it we'll want. Yeah, that's old layer of blacking that is. Some of it we'll want dusting down. Just to get all the loose. Oh, my wire brush is falling apart, it's too rusty. Okay. What I have to do, I've got a knife, it's so hard to feel, just scrape it off. Get this down in. You have to tap it really. I don't know if you ever get these bolts off. This is old blacking here that is just peeling off. I don't know if it's necessarily blacking. I mean, look, it's white underneath. I don't know what it is really. I think look at this. Jesus. Look at all that rust just from a little corner I did.
Yeah. That's the trouble with it. Most people probably scrap it. It's just road dust.
If you wanted to actually see the welding that had been done, because I never actually showed it, it's this. All the seals here. So we don't have to do this because this has been blacked anyway, as you can see.
Well, we paint over it anyway, aren't we?
Yeah. We moved it up on this curb so we get loads of clearance. We're going to do the front first. This is not as bad actually under here as the back. The back is probably the worst hit at the moment. Apart from the sills, they've been done.
Job.
All this has to come off.
No, this is like that.
This reminds me of when we took the old solar panels off back in the day. To be honest with you,
Fucking hell.
I thought this can stay on.
Oh.
I thought this can stay on. I just need to scrape off the loose stuff.
We rust that paint there. Killing in the name of. Someone's had a go at painting this.
Yeah.
Looking at this paint, it's probably at least 10 years old.
I know. Is it blacking though? Because it doesn't. When you look underneath, it's white.
Yeah, it's not a blacking, it's a special paint that you can get. It's very, very expensive. It's got a special oil in it.
Sounds like
Protects it from like salt and road grease and.
it's probably better than the stuff we're going to use.
Not really, because what we're using, it does almost exactly the same thing. But the thing is, we'll do one coat, and then in a couple of months' time we'll get another tin and come under and do another coat.
Yeah, but then you got the dirt all over it.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think I
suppose you
have
could
paint,
wash
I want a black olive, don't I?
Yeah, you can buy another thing, don't you? That's the collapsed jacking point, that one. Let's see. Oof. That's not good. Really bad one. That bit should be there.
A piece of power.
Chocolate
I've had a quick go
vision.
in that area.
What, there?
I've had a quick go with it, yeah. I couldn't get to it. What are you doing now?
This is the jacking point that's broke.
Yeah, and where did you put a hole?
What do you mean?
Where have you damaged it when you jacked it up?
I put the jacking thing in its hole,
Yeah.
and it's collapsed here, here, and here. It ain't good, but
Use the subframe like now, really. Like, see that thing at the front, that big subframe where the engine sort of sits on?
Oh, this bit.
That sort of area, yeah,
Yeah.
that's what you use. Especially with this weight of van, the trolley jet. Up in here?
What?
Huh?
You found a wren's nest?
An old wren's nest, yeah.
Where?
In here.
Okay.
There's the moss, that's how I know it's a wren's nest.
So the only way that would have happened if the van was sitting for ages.
Yeah. There's a wren's nest in there. I put my hand in there to see what was in there, and it's full of
This
full
van
of
only did
nest.
100 miles in 2020, I think.
So I've got to get all this out because it's just gonna.
Step doesn't work. Look at the back of it. I'd get so much rust off of this. We're getting there. What? Oh, where's the bottom of this? Actually, most of this is still galvanised. So you're just starting to black. Paint it so some of it now. You are not going to believe this. What the hell? What year is it?
Yeah, uncle's got them on his farm.
That gypsy.
Yeah, proper Romany Kings, proper gypsies, not travellers.
Ooh. Scraped it all down now. Now we just go put some blacking on it. Don't think we're covering it, we're just covering the rusty spots, I think.
Stopping the rust in its tracks.
This massive hole at the side of this step here, so it's making it weak. Stop that as well from rusting. I'm tired, but it's effectively every rusty bit of the underbody sealed. Jeez. Christ, I don't think I've ever had a face that dirty before. I got bloodshot on me.